yun? Okay, hello YouTube! Babalik na naman tayo sa another episode of Outer Wilds. Kaya, nag-end tayo sa, I think, yung puntahan natin yung Ash Twin. And then, subukan natin pumasok dun sa parang isang daanan na nagpakita after bumaba nung buhangin dun sa Ash Twin. And then, yun yung by far na sabi ko, pupunta natin yun sa next episode. So ngayon, resume natin yung expedition natin ngayon and tutuloy na tayo ulit. We are back, Outer Wilds. Pick up. Oh! Okay. So every time na i-resume mo ng expedition, gigising lang tayo dun. So parang, yung ending ko ng game parang kailangan natin i-cut off yung time loop. Kasi kahit ako magiging miserable ako kapag nag-time loop na lang ako habang buhay eh. Pre-flight checklist. Jetpack auto boost. Freeze time while talking to others. Skip natin yan. Good. Sun Station. Ito yung binabanggit nila dito sa Ember Twin sa Ash Twin. Caltra, Brittle Hollow, Quantum Moon, Hollow Standard, diba na napuntahan? Giant Steep, Dark Bramble, White Hole Station, and then yung Interloper. So madami pa tayong baling i-explore pero unahin natin yung Ash Twin. Let's go! Ash Twin, ayun. Ngayon, kailangan nating antayin yung sun. Yun lang yung problema natin ngayon. Ganda ng sun. Oh shit! Tama yung buhangin. May music din dun sa Dark Bramble eh. Sa Interloper wala. Pero dito meron. Kinukuha niya na ba yung buhangin? Okay, habang kinukuha niya yan, siguro maganda na maganda na bumalik muna tayo sa planta. Subukan natin i-explore muna to habang nag-aantay. Kasi napansin ko din na madaming places dito sa Timberheart eh, na pwede nating i-explore. Ayan ako, makikita nyo. Wait, ano yun? What? Pero ano dito niya? Ayan. Whoa. Ito. Whoa. What is happening? What? Ano nangyayari? I was upstairs testing the eye signal locator and it can hear and follow the signal from the sun, Giant's Deep, and Brittle Hollow. However, something strange is happening when the eye signal locator to follow the eye signal. The device indicator rotates wildly and never points to just one direction. Oh, yun yung eye! This is the curious result. It's possible that the eye has stopped calling out its signal. I see, I most likely calibrated the locator incorrectly. Prevent my apprentice and I will make adjustment and try again. An update, disappointingly everything is correctly calibrated after all. It saddens me to posit this, my friends, but I believe this locator cannot detect the eye signal. We would need to build a more sensitive device if we can locate the eye of the universe. Then we will build it. Don't lose hope. Our research for the eye is what brought our clan to this space. We won't give up so easy. So ito yung eye. So, where should this new, more sophisticated locator be built? It may need to be larger than this eye signal locator is. The southern glacier in Brittle Hollow has the ample available space. I could construct new building to the house this proposed locator. Yes, let's build there. Imagine our young friend Connor would enjoy that immensely. He will always held a great interest in the eye, especially for the child born so long after the crash. Folius. Anona and those of us original stranded in the Amber Twin built a quantum moon locator there, but the heat of the sun made its construction challenging. I would recommend building it on another planet. I will begin construction on Brittle Hollow South Pole immediately then. Brittle Hollow South. Recording! Okay, wow. I've seen this ruin in other travelers' pictures, but seeing it for myself, it's really old, isn't it? But wow, this is the coolest day of my life. Kaya, time for the official notes. It is some kind of normal locator. It can point out the different planets, which is incredibly cool. By the way, but from what a little I can understand of the writing here, I think it was built to try to find something specific. I'm not sure. I also was able to translate something about the South Pole of Brittle Hollow, so I'll fly there to see if I can learn more. Yep, just gonna get back in the old ship and take off. Totally safe, mostly safe. Oh, stars above. So, parang locator lang to. So, kapag nilagay natin siya sa sun, ayan, sa sun. Tingin siya dito. Okay. Paano kung sa... Ano to? Dark... Ito ba yung... Ano? Deeper Heart? Hindi, yung Brittle Hollow to. And then, ito... Deep. Ito, Giant's Deep. Dito siya titingin. Ang lupit. What the hell is that? May bumubuga sa tenga ko kanina. Itong pa nga to. Mga galaxy ba yun na sumusama? Tara. Back to our planet. Pero sa team. Tanong natin niya. Orbia. Oh yeah, yung sa Ashwin. Nasaan yung Ashwin? Trap, Dark Rumble na place. Ayan, Ashwin. Woohoo! Whoa! Yan ito. Oh no. Wala, di ako makagalaw. Makaihipit ako. No! Oh my god, naipit ako. Oh no. Natak na ba ako ng Woo! No! Oh shit, aray. I know! Ah! Yung nagpapakita sa atin dun kapag namamatay tayo, no? May mask yun. Ano to? May kailangan tayong ipasok dito. Yun atay nasa ano? Nasa Adel Rock. number 3. Timberheart, nasan ka? Yan, yan, Timberheart. Timberheart! Hindi, sa Atol Rock tayo. What? All this time, meron tayong map? What? Ay, yung Quantum Boom. Hindi ko alam na meron tayong map. Halos 4 hours ata yung last na gameplay natin. Hindi ko man lang napansin na merong map. Accidentally ko napindot to, tong tab. Oh. Subukan natin kunin yung ano. Ito. Ayun. Okay. Balik tayo doon. May mapa tayo. Oh my god. Nakikita mo din yung orbit ng bawat planet. Dark Crumble yung pinakamalayo. Pero masasabi siya kapag interloper. Ah, it makes sense na kung bakit parang ganito yung itsura ng interloper kasi matutunaw siya kapag dito. Okay. Dito na pala tayo. Let, mahatak tayo ng saan? Mahatak tayo ng saan? Oh, nice one. Nope, mahatak tayo ng saan? Nope. Ito ba yan? Oh my god, mas nag-receive na yung sando. Ayun, dito tayo pupunta sa part na to. Mas nag-receive na siya. Lupit. Dali. Ito pa. Ito ata. Ito agad. I was upstairs testing the eye signal locator. It can hear and follow the signal from the sun, giant steam, and the ito like nasa locator. Ayun! No! Mahatak tayo ng sun. No. Ito lang muna tayo sa kulit. Mas... Ayun na. Yun. Friend visiting from the Hanging City, we are planning the Ashfield Park at the High Energy Lab at Ember Queen Queen. I became lost on Ember Queen, my gratitude that Rami found me, but the High Energy Lab is the building with the large solar panels. I'm surprised I didn't see it. I imagine our otherwise immensely clever Konoi would lose his own head if it's turned anatomically possible. Pero ito yung no may mask ko, yun yung nagpapakita sa atin every time tayong namamatay. And, di ba? Ayun. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong gamit niya ito. Wow. Sa kabila ba daw? Wow! Bagong place na. May ganun lang siya. Para sa itong mga to. Wow! Wait, wait. Yun. Here are first delivery. Chiaro, one warp core fresh from the Black Hole Forge. Root is installing this core sibling on Brittle Hollows. I write this. My gratitude, Clary. With this, the Ashfield project is underway. I confess I'm deeply curious about what you and Pope found on the White Hole Station that started this project. Could I visit sometime to learn more? I recommend you do. The White Hole Station is the model for the towers being built for the Ashfield project. So a visit to the station would be doubtfully useful. I suppose more precisely, I would like to visit the White Hole Station with you, Dad. Yarrow, stop using this scroll wall to flirt with my sister in romantic manners her density rivals a neutron star and go meet her on the White Station. I'd be happy to explain our findings. I wish I could wait here for you to arrive, but the forge and my unfinished work there is calling. I'll return with more materials too. So ito yung black hole sa Brittle Hollow. Oh, we're gonna die. Whoa. So may mark before sumabog yung buong solar system namin. Pero ano yung reason kung bakit tayo nabigyan nung this time loop powers or whatnot? Ano kayong dahilan? And we're awake again. This is gonna be a long ride. Hourglass Twins. Giant stick. What the hell is that? Laki ng orbit niya. Yan. Dito siya ako. Beef tsaka sa sun. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Okay, I'm back. Hello again. Okay, so pupunta natin is hindi ko din alam kung saan tayo pupunta ngayon. To be honest, medyo lost din ako. Pero susubukan natin pumunta sa siguro yung Giant's Deep. Kasi isa sa kinakatakutan ko din yun. Pero it's time to overcome our fears. Diba? Hindi pwede na natatakot na lang tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Minsan, kailangan din natin lumabas sa comfort zone natin and subukan yung mga iba't ibang bagay. And since nasa harap ko naman itong Giant's Deep, tara. Ito nandito. Oh. Natatakot na naman ako. May butas dito. Woohoo! Oh my god! Holy shit! Saan na ako? Wala akong maintindihan. Hindi ko alam yung nangyayari. Oh no! Oh my god. Eye of the storm. I think. Oh, kaya pala. Mas parang sa real life typhoon lang din or hurricane situation, pinakalmado yung Eye of the Storm. Explore natin ito. Natatakot ako sa tubig. Ano tayo akit dito? Ah wait, parang alam ko na. Yata yung ship. Or not? Anong nandito? Whoa. We welcome in this place. This tower shares with all who has the knowledge needed to make his or her first journey. Quantum journey. Ganda ng tubig, oh. Sarap din sa tenga ng ulan. Pero ayoko ng tubig kasi sobrang dilim. Wow. Enter this place without friends. However, these are lessons to learn for yourself. Ito yung part sa taas. Oh no! Whoa. Huh? What? Seek the Wandering Arch. Wandering Arch. Ito. Oh my god, nawala. Paano ang picturean natin? Ganyan, tas hindi siya mawawala kapag may picture ako. Okay, that's good. Ayun o, hindi siya nawawala. Lupit. Bababa ulit ako. Ouch. No. Yan. Pag dumaan sa mata natin, observing the quantum object. Observing an image of quantum object, these are the same. Oh! So tama nga na inassume ko na like, ganyan, kung pinicturean mo siya, kahit ganun mo, meron pa rin kasi, observe pa rin sila. Okay, so parang, ano yun? Parang laws of physics. Pero ngayon, laws of quantum physics or whatever man. Pero sabi niya, seek the quantum. Ayan yung arch. Okay, here. Credit. Yun! May na-discover na tayong bago. Ayan yung arch. Oh no. Ayan yung arch. So kailangan natin siyang papuntahin sa dito. Ayun. Ah. Ay, kahit to lumilipat. Kailangan natin i-observe lang. Ito. So, ito kailangan i-observe natin yan. Ayun. Yan. So, kahit duman tayo dito. Oh! Ay, nag-gets ko na. This is the last one, but we made it harder. That's what she said. Shit. Kailangan ko i-observe to. Ayan. Ayan, i-observe natin to. No! No! Nakalimutan ko i-observe yun. Yan. Kailangan ko observe. Ito. Lapit tayo dito. Observe natin ito ulit. Ayan. Masyadong malayo. No! Parang ganito. Nice one! Yung sa grand, makapit lang mawala yan. We offer our congratulations. You've learned the rule of quantum imaging. Take this knowledge with you on the remainder of your quantum pilgrimage. Remember, other quantum shards have other lessons to teach. Our curiosity goes with you on your journey. You walk in the footsteps of those who came before you, and your path guides those who will follow later. Galing. Ano yung no may mask? Galing. Ito na ba ako? Oh. But I've learned another lesson. Di ba sabi sa inyo, overcome your fears, meron kayong bagong matututunan. That is may natutunan tayong bago. Okay, may sira sa glat. Like to leave. Ay, may harang. Ano tayo makaka-ano dyan? Makakatapos. Is there a way? Ang pala ano. Daming tornado. Ang tawag sa kanila kapag sinasakot. Oops. Woohoo! Let's go. This is it. We finished building the orbital probe can module and are ready to send it to orbit around Giant's deep assembly. Our next step will be to send Privet up to the orbital probe cannon, install the probe fan system. To all my friends here at Construction Yard and Piyok, my gratitude for your tireless work. I had given up hope. I truly believe this cannon may actually succeed where many and other others have not. Are you going gelatinous on us, love? I'm delighted by your words, but they're atypical for you. If I'm even half as gooey as Mallow and even behaves together, thus you may launch me from the orbital. I know my brother Evans and his spouse would want to launch the probe with as much power as possible and avoid the cannon break and their mistake. I propose we give Evans and Malo a slightly lower maximum power setting than the absolute maximum possible to create further enthusiasm. Pero may mga patay na team. Para saan ito? Okay. Oh. Paglandingan ng ship. Oh my god, may takot ako sa tubig. Hyperventilate ako sa tubig. Wait, nakapasok ba yung oh? What the? What the? Gano'n na akong lumipad sa outer space. Ay, ayun! Yun yung model na nandito. Ano yun nandito? Oh, tapos babagsakan sa tubig. Let me in! Yun. So, ang tanong, paano tayo pasok dito? Feeling ko pwede tayo pumasok sa gitna eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano. Ano na, hinaharangan tayo. Kasi nga, nabawasan na yung takot ko. Saan tayo pwede pumasok? Ay, dito! Hindi. Tayo papasok dito. Kaya ko maghanap ng ibang pwedeng pasukan. Ayun. Tanong, pwede ba akong bumaba? Hindi. Ah. Punta dun. may harang pa rin siya dito. Hindi tayo makakapasok doon for now. Pero tayo pa natin i-explore itong place. Lumalayo siya. Bakit siya lumalayo? May sasabog na ulit. Ayun. Hindi yung pahiga lang sila parang sumasabog. Oh. Lupit. So, pangalawang time loop na natin. Ilang minutes yun? Pabot ba ng 20 minutes? Oh! Eh, may pababa oh. Kaya natin puntahan yun. Saan siya punta? Sa side nito. Eh, ayun. Hindi siya papunta dito sa planet. Paalis siya ng planet. Right? In show. Woohoo! Bam! Opia! Ayan, dito siya. And sa planet yun. Nakita akong ship dito last time eh. Eh no. Pero hindi siya nakabukas. May daanan dito. Sa baba niya. Ano to? Statue workshop. Oh no. Ito place. Ay, meron dito. They're going to test the memory statues tonight. Clock says it could be dangerous, so we can come. But if we didn't use the door and snuck in the other way, does anyone want to? I really want to see the test too, Lamy, but it's a huge risk to take. We probably shouldn't. Maybe Flocks let us see a later test. Flocks specifically told us not to do that. Tornadoes. Tornado Guji. Welcome to Giant's Peak. Friends, I am excited for you to meet the statue dwelling Roach. Paano tayo pupunta dito? Yung no may statue, oh. Yun. Sa ilalim ba ng tubig? Okay. Ayun. Sa ilalim nga. Lupit. Ano ba no may statue? Kiara, would you kindly step back so Daz is closest to the statue when pairing? The statue will choose whoever is closest in proximity. See how its eyes have opened? That tells us the statue has paired with Daz. Now, no matter where he is in this star system, Daz statue will record his memories and send them to the Ashwin project. This is extraordinary sculpting work, folks. He has outdone himself again, hasn't he? And now that we have our first successful painting, we can test my memory storage prototype. Each statue will send a single Nomai memories to his or her own storage unit within Ashwin. Each storage unit will be equipped with a pass, the statue's counterpart, which will be able to send those stored memories back to the corresponding Nomai. Oh! So, ganun natin nakukuha yung ba't may naalala pa rin tayo. Oh. I've installed masks inside the Ashwin project blocks. You look beautiful, although I do feel as though I'm being observed. It's comforting to know the statues will not pair until the project succeeds. Otherwise, I imagine the experience would be hard to endure. Ideally, they'll only need to activate once the project succeeds as a safety measure. However, the statues will also activate in events of equipment failure. They will? Why is that? If anything goes wrong with the Astral Project, the statues and their bars will make us aware of the situation and enable us to fix it. Otherwise, it would be impossible for us to remain permanently unaware of the problem. I hadn't thought of that. What a profoundly horrific fate that would... Yan tayo. Ganyan nangyari sa atin. Oh shit. Whoa. Ah, ba't nawala yung gravity ko? Wait, umilaw to kanina. Pero anong ibig sabihin na ito? Ito ba yung mga no may mask? May isa dito, may isa dito, may tatlo na activated. Nag-activate din to kanina, wait. Yeah. Ano? Marvelous Twins. Bakit kaya sila? Para saan yung paghatak ng Sun Team? Gets ko na parang timer siya. So meaning baka pag nawala lahat yung sun sa sapot na. Kasi ito yung sun station. Yung, hindi tayo pa rin lumipad dyan kasi mamamatay tayo sa sun. Grabe, ang ganda nitong map po. Ngayon ko lang nalaman itong map. Ibig sabihin na, umilaw to kanina. Umilaw siya kanina eh. Try lang natin. Paano ko tayo pumantayin? Sayang yun, hindi ko napansin kaagad. Pero lumulutang tayo kanina, meaning naihagis tayo. So, kailangan na nasa taas pa tayo ng tornado. Paano yun? Giant Steam. Ano ito? Ito yung Whitehall Station. Ano ba? Ito nga, Whitehall Station. River. Nakatingin lagi siya sa start. Yan. Hindi siya tumitingin palayo. Yan yung Brittle Hollow. Saka Hollow's Lantern. Amber Queen. Hindi nag-flow dito. Ano to? May nag-glow dito. Ah, yung... Kailangan ko lang baantayin to. Ayun na ba? Please. Ayun. Yan ano mangyayari? What? Para saan? Oh, shit! Oh my God. Bruh! Ano ba yan? Oh, parang balik tayo dun sa Ash. Pero paano yung quantum root? Paano tayo maglalaro? Try ko hanapin yung quantum root. Pwede natin mag-land dyan. Nawala ba? No! So hindi pwede na picture lang. Kaya ano to? Oops. Let's go! Yan yung quantum nun, no? Hindi siya nawawala. Wala ko lapitan ko. Parang hindi ako lumalapit. Yun. Ah! Paano ako makakalapit doon? No! Oh my God! Ba't ayaw dumikit? Ayaw dumikit! Oh my God. Ayun! Sa taong space yun. Rock. Let me in! Ayun! Kaya ito mga. Ay, naalala ko to. Control module, yes. Launch module, okay. Probe tracking module. Pero wala sila. That's launch module. Then control module. Oh. See. Oh! Wala yung bola. I have bad news, even Shadow says there's a problem with the proposed power source, so the orbital probe panel won't be asked to fire. I feel pulling my locomotive limb here, Saba. I wish I were, my friend, but no. They aren't certain they can fix the problem, so the orbital probe cannon is on indefinite hiatus. Hiatus. Tell Privet and Malo they should return from the cannon. Control module for Oh! What? What tracking module missing? Attack me structural damage. Pareho na. Wala. Oh. Damage. Ay, ito yung cannon. Whoa. Take launch module. Yan yung ano, yung Ash Twin, no? Galing. Oops. Oh my God. So, merong mga modules na nawawala. Ito lang yung available. Ito yung may zero. Okay. Ito ako pwede doon naman. Oh, tayo dun sa isang broken module. Wala siya dito. May distress beacon dun, no? Sa Dark Bramble, pero bakit? Even dito meron. Ayun. Weird yung sound. May explore lang natin lahat ito. Oh! Ikaw yun! Oh my god, Garbo! Why does Pro not care? Oh my god! Wala siyang pake! Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Bro does not care. Have you ever watched a cyclone for so long it started to hypnotize you? I'm telling you, they'll put you in a trance if you stare at them too long. I found something nice. I reached the inside of a statue island. So the Nome created those head statues to record memories of. I could see the Nome doing that, not sure what for, but it seems like their sort of thing. Do you think the statues are recording our memories then? Because I remember that one of the beach looked at me funny. That must be my memory friend. There's something you might like. At the start of every time loop, I keep seeing a bright flash in the sky. Something has happened up there in orbit around the planet. What else? What else? Have you been to Statue Island? That was I've been calling it. Seeing it, it's the island where I found the glowing Nome statue. Have you seen the Statue Island? Yeah, nandun na ako. I was at the beach on the Statue Island when the full glowing business happened. By it's nice beach for that kind of thing. I give it 7. If you feel like checking out the Statue Island, it will be one of the fun with 2 islands granted by a natural package. Wala siyang pake eh. No arch. There's something about arch, sabi niya. Okay. Arch. Anong arch? Daming sira yung ano natin. Times lang. Ayun. Ultic na yan. Island with Arch. Ay, ito? Ito ba? Pero na-explore ko na to. Namatay nga ako dyan eh. Ay, wala na. So, para saan kaya? Saan siya dudugtong? Kasama na tayo. Woohoo! Na-overcome ko na yung fear ko dun sa area na yun. Hindi na ako natatakot. Timberheart. Then yung sun. Malapit na sumabog yung sun. Yung sun ba yung sumasabog? Kasi parang mas dark na siya ngayon. Whoa. Wala na yung sun. Wow, wala na yung sun. Eh, sasabog na. Saan galing pagsabog? Ay, yung sun. Oo nga, yung sun. Grabe. Yan, babalik na naman tayo. So, yung nakita nating character dun sa Giant's Deep, may nagta-time loop din siya. Pero time loop din ba siya? Or parang na-mention niya lang? Kasi nagagawa na lang siya, lay back na lang siya dun eh. Eh, yung ano, yung... No, wala na. Galing talaga nun eh. Nakamiss pa rin ako dun sa Quantum Moon nila. Ay wait, pwede tayo matulog no? Wait. Gusto ko i-try. Pwede ako mag-rest sa campfire. Wait, ini-speed up ba nito yung oras? Or... So yan, sabi natin 6 minutes yun. Ano nangyari? Oh, oh my god. Ashton tayo. So, meaning kapag naubos na yung sand dito sa Ashton, yun na yung time na sasabog tong sand. Oo, kaya pala tinawag siyang hourglass. So, literal na timer siya ng game. Yun, dito. Yun. Yan, para saan? Patay siya dito eh. Bakit? Bakit dito? Meron dito. Depends. Saan siya nakatutok? Para saan? Medyo mo na yan. Ha? Di ba na wala? Na-enjoy ko na talaga yung Quantum Moon. One of the best thing dito yung Quantum Moon talaga. Oh no! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Parang may umilaw dito kanina. Or ako lang yun. Parang may umilaw. Wait. May umilaw kanina dito. May nakita akong umilaw. Ganyan, tingala. Push down natin. Push down. Para tayo may tangay. Winterloper yun, no? Push down. Rita lalo. Oh, wala. Pero meron ako nakitang umilaw. Like, maliit lang na ilaw yun, pero may nakita ako. Hindi ko alam kung nag-illusion ako, pero may nakita talaga ako. Push down. No! May umilaw kanina. Wala na din yung ship natin. Nakatak. Kasi may umilaw kanina. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Bruh! May umilaw kanina dito. May umilaw talaga. May umilaw. Ano yung umilaw? Babaliw na ata ako. Pero gusto kong maniwala na mayroong umilaw kanina dito. Baka na yung oxygen ko, please. Kasi meron ako nakita dito. Ito na ako, parang gamang. Wala. Oh well, I guess, napapaliw nga lang talaga ako. Oh, nawala na yung sun. Ouch. And I'm dying. Goodbye. Ah, hindi ko maintindihan. Pero may umilaw talaga dun kanina. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero meron yung instance sa meron parang pumitik lang na may ilaw. May ilaw or parang bilog. Ewan ko kung ano yung nakita ko. No, huwag kang dediretso dyan. Huwag kang dediretso sa sun. Baliw ka! Huwag kang dediretso sa sun! Loko! Ay, 5 minutes na. 5 minutes na. Tawa na. Gising ka na. No. No. Yes, yes. No. Game. Game! Yan. Shit! No. Shit, no! Nakatak siya sa baba. I'm dead. Whew. Ito, may broken roof dito. Hindi nang galing na ako before dito. Oh, wala nga. Oh, goodbye, ship. Pwede ako dumaan dito. No! Na-puncture lahat. Puncture lahat. Oh my god. I'm going insane. Okay. Mukhang mali yung akala ko doon. Pero hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Pero talagang nag-i-illusion lang ako kasi kung meron akong kita doon. Pero, yeah. Siguro yun sa mga tawag dito, sa mga nakalaro na itong game na to, parang kinakatawanan, oh, tama yung pinupuntahan mo, Zion, pero may mali kang ginagawa. Okay, salamat comment section, pero kailangan ko ng tulong para sa game na to. Pero feeling ko, if I did ask for help, parang tinatalo nun yung punto na yung game na to about sa exploration. Ikaw dapat yung matututo, hindi yung ibang tao yung magtuturo sa'yo. Pero gets ko pa rin naman siguro kung gusto ka nilang turuan, what not. Oh no. Pero yeah, kung mapapansin mo itong game na to, talagang more on exploration siya. Parang tinuturuan ka ng game na, uy, pupunta ka out, and then, I'm going insane! Okay. Hi, goodbye. So as I was saying, tinuturuan itong game na matuto by exploring stuff on your own. Kasi parang self-discovery din tong game na to. Parang hinahanap ko yung sarili mo. So basically, ang pagkaintindi ko, nagpakita talaga ito. Or mali ako. Pero, meron kasi nung 5-minute mark na gano'n, nandun ako, merong nagpakita. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakita ko doon, pero merong nagpakita din sa part na yun, yung may patay na Nomai. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain sa inyo, pero may nakita ko doon, 5-minute mark, nandun ako, may nakita ko doon. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yun. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Wait, 6 minutes na yan. No. Oh my god, mali ata ako. Ito yung Ash Twin. Ayan. Yung Sun Station. Bro! Basta meron akong nakita, hindi ko alam kung delusional ako. Basta merong timing yun, hindi ko lang alam. May nakita ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung nababaliw na ako dahil sa
tilted na ako, okay? So, every time na namamatay ako sa sand, medyo nababawasan yung sanity ko. Pero dito, meron talaga ako nakita. Hindi ko alam kung anong minute mark yun. Pero nung 5 minutes ka ako, tinignan ko dito, meron ako nakita. Meron yun. Sige, tayo sa counter ship ko. Hindi pwede. Kabakil din na siya. Meron yun. Meron. May dahilan kung bakit nandito tong Nomai na to. So, no! Meron siya! Dude! May dahilan kung bakit nandun siya. Basta ganun yung gagawin ko. May nakita ka, hindi ko alam, nababalik na ba ako, pero meron nagkikita, meron. Kapag dumudugtong ata siya dun sa twin niya. So kapag dumaan na yung buhangin na nakatingin kapag siya dun sa Ember 12. Tapos kapag hindi ko alam. Pero may something about dito sa part nito. Basta kapag nakatingin na siya dun sa twin niya. Basta nagpapakita yun. May nagpakita yun. Nagpakita sa akin yun. Or nababaliw na ako. Hindi ko alam. Mababaliw na ako. Ayan, dadaan na ganyan. Ayun! Hindi ako nababaliw. Hindi ako nababaliw. Okay? Meron. Ha? Kita niyo 'yon? Nakita niyo 'yon, ha? Meron. Hindi ako nababaliw. May nakita ako doon. Okay. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito. Ano to? Ay, ito yung ano. Wow! Ito yung nagpapakita, di ba? 3. 13 minutes, 58 seconds ago, received data from previous cycle. Past receiving data from probe module, tracking module, giant stiff memory statue, timber heart memory statue. 8 minutes until end of cycle transmission. 8 minutes. For what? For what purpose? Today we finish the excavation of Ash Twin. Here in this space car, we will craft our most ambitious project yet. The Ash Twin project, enough to send information back in time. We've also finished relocating all the subterranean plants we've met while digging. We will need to keep our eyes on how significant we've altered the environment here. How far we've come since our experiment at the high energy lab. I still can hardly remember Rami's hypothesis was true. Pope just sent to the warp core for the final tower to us from the Black Hole Forge. Now Ash Twin can be connected with Giant's Deep, where Cassava is working with Avens to craft an orbital probe cannon, and where Phlox is sculpting the memory statues. Okay? Hypothesis. It was not accident. The core of our warp tower was the last to be forged. The cores could have been forged faster if Cassava had interrupted my work less frequently to ask for updates. The important point is we are all connected through Ash Twin now, and also that I'm no longer needed for the mediating your disagreement. Our friends on Giant's Deep tested the orbital probe cannon today. Paolo tells me the cannon is doing well, and the Avens advocated for the more launch power. Anyone can coax the maximum power from a device, Avens can. But then, if anyone can goad a device into exploding, that too is likely Avens. Perhaps I should check in the orbital probe cannon's crew in the interest of safety. Would it help to remind Avens that Malo, his love, will be one of the Nomai aboard the cannon, or is Malo part of the problem? Phlox and Daz finished the memory statues today, and they are truly remarkable. When the Ash Twin project succeeds, or in the events it fails, the memory statues will activate, allowing us to gather more data before we shut down the project. Pai and Adea have worked hard on the Sun Station, and at last is complete. If everything goes as planned, the structure will prompt the Sun's explosion, which will in turn supply the power the Ash Twin requires. I'm impressed by their mental fortitude. This was the project's most difficult task in more ways than anyone. We're nearly ready to activate the Ash Twin project. Here is that what will happen. First, the Sun Station will receive the order to fire at the Sun, prompting it to explode. Using the energy from the resulting supernova, Ash Twin project will send the order for the orbital probe cannon to fire back in time by 22 minutes. Exactly the 2 minutes after these orders are received, the Sun Station will again trigger the supernova to send the probe data from its cannon to launch back in time. In total, each cycle created by the Ash Twin project will last precisely 22 minutes. So 22 minutes yung cycle nitong buong yung dahilan kung bakit sumasabog yung sun every 22 minutes. These words are difficult to write. The Sun Station did not work. However, this is the closest we have ever been. The Ash Twin project is theoretically sound. We were only unable to power it. Perhaps there is another way. Suppose we redesign the Sun Station to generate power of that magnitude. Supernova is still our only viable option. I believe we can still find a way to create a supernova, my friend. Don't lose hope. This is the easier expressed than accomplished. You can wait for the sun to explode on its natural timeline if you prefer. Idea, but still, you need to find some way to halt our aging process. We are halting our research into creating a supernova for this moment. A comet has newly arrived in the solar system, and we're anxious to explore it. It's been a very long time since we last explored somewhere new, so we're excited to welcome this comet. Imagine that knowledge might be gained there. What for? Giant's Deep Project, Timberheart, Brittle Hollow. Wait. I have good news, Sharo. The advanced warp core is ready to be installed in the central chamber of Ash Twin. I'm intrigued that everyone here work on the Ash Twin is excited to see. Pai is beside herself with joy. Oh. No, it isn't. Ay, Poke pala yun. Poke ba? Ay, Pai. Is everything well at the forge? The forge durability could still be improved. I need more time. Don't worry, love. Poke is only nervous. The core is extraordinary and her design work is beautifully clever. Ignore her, Yarrow. The core is finished and my sister tells you otherwise, then she will be finished as well. Timberheart. My gratitude for the latest shipment on Oyeno. This ore should be the last we'll need for the Ashwin project. Once we finish the Sheldon seals of the central chamber, we'll check to ensure there are no longer any physical entrance. Rami and I will be checking the interior and then the exterior for the cracks. Our final safety check. This is exciting news. Can I offer an extra set of eyes for this final check? Specifically mine. If my work is possible, I'd be delighted to help. We'd be grateful if you would. The more eyes, the better. A smallest flaw or opening in the shell protect the Ashwin with crystals. And then yung teeth. I installed the mask inside the Ashwin project blocks. They look beautiful, although I do feel as though I'm being observed. It's comforting to know the soldiers will not pair until the project siege. Otherwise, our experience would be hard to endure. Ideally, they only need to activate once per. Wait. Nabasa ko na to. Yung herb. Oh! No. Oh my god. No! No! Oh no! Oh my god, naibalik ako accidentally. Oh no. Sasabog na yung isang. Wala na akong magagawa. Wala na yung sun. Hindi na ako connected ulit. Wala na. Ay, hindi pa. Meron pa tayong last hope.